To watch multiple NFL games at once on Sunday Ticket, and I'll show you how to use the multi-view feature on YouTube and YouTube TV in just a few easy steps. Alright, now let me quickly scroll down to the section here. Alright, so open the YouTube app now and on your smart TV or streaming device, make sure you are logged in into your NFL Sunday Ticket account. Now select an NFL game and from the Sunday Ticket section, and you will see all the available games for that day. With a game playing, scroll down on your screen to the option that says watch 4 games at once. You can see watch 4 games at once. Well, this is where the fun begins. You will be shown several multi-view options. Alright, you can see there are several options here, which include your current game along with 1 to 3 other games. You can use the remote to switch between games like this one. And if you are subscribed to NFL Red Zone, you can replace one of those games with Red Zone, which shows live action from every game. Select your preferred multi-view layout and press to confirm. Alright, this is the one. I can select a multi-view and remote to switch between games, and that's it. So if you want to focus on one game, just click on the game and with the white border to make it full screen, and this is all. Right, you can always return to multi-view by going back, and if you're using YouTube TV, the process is similar. After selecting a game, you will see the option to watch in multi-view, and that's it. You're all set. You're ready to watch your NFL games at once, at least 4 at once, with NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube and YouTube TV. Perfect for any football fan who never wants to miss a moment. Happy watching, and I'll see you in the next video.